RAIN is a competition-winning volumetric lighting project for an underpass space in Washington, D.C., which provides effective illumination and responds formally to the existing registrations and occupant groups, pedestrians, cyclists, vehicles, while also encouraging movement between both ends of the tunnel through a series of programmed light patterns. The jury appreciated that this project takes the least attractive of urban surfaces and successfully masks it with an installation. The result is the creation of an inviting and compelling new sensory experience that crucially and admirably unites different communities.